In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down column in Smartsheet. If you're organizing data and want to keep entries consistent, like status, priority, or department, a drop-down column keeps everyone on the same page. It limits inputs to a clean list of choices, which reduces typos and makes filtering and reporting much easier. To get started, open your sheet and head to the very top, over to the far right of your existing column headers. You'll see a small plus sign that lets you add a new column. Click that plus sign to open the column setup panel. When the column types appear, choose Drop-Down List. This tells Smartsheet you want a column where each cell offers a preset list of options instead of free text. Next, give your new column a clear, simple name. Pick something that tells teammates exactly what belongs there, like status or priority. Right below that, you'll see a space to add a description. This is optional, but highly recommended. Use it to explain how the column should be used or what each choice means. A short note here saves questions later and keeps your sheet consistent across editors. Now it's time to add the choices that will appear in the drop-down. In the Values area, type your first option. To include more, click Add Value and continue entering each choice one by one. Keep your list concise and standardized. Avoid duplicates or near duplicates. And use consistent capitalization so it looks professional. If the order matters, enter the values in the sequence you want people to see, such as not started, in progress, and complete. Think about the terms your team already uses, so the options feel familiar and are easy to select. Take a moment to review your list for clarity and spelling. Short, distinct labels work best, especially on busy sheets. If you need to adjust wording, do it now so your drop-down remains clean and reliable. When everything looks good, click Apply. Smartsheet will add the new drop-down column to your sheet, ready to use. From here on, cells in that column will display the choices you defined, helping every row follow the same structure. That's all it takes. By adding a drop-down column, you create a simple, dependable way to collect consistent data and keep your sheet easy to sort, filter, and understand. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Smartsheet.